guys, today we're going to be talking about amazing papaya skin brightening oil. If this is going to interest you, please stay here, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss most of my videos. So let's get right into the video and I will share with you amazing top secret, something you are missing in your papaya oil. Hello guys, thank you for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, I applaud you. If you just stumble into this channel, do me a favor, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you can become one of our fast growing family. Today we're going to be talking about papaya oil to help brighten up your skin. We are in the summer month and we all want to show our bare skin one time or the other, especially wearing spaghetti hands. You don't want to have uneven skin tone. So papaya has been there for years and years, and it has been used in so many commercial products to make skin brightening creams. So today I have a whole big papaya, but we're just going to use a teeny wee of the papaya. Papaya is all washed. Make sure when you wash your papaya, dry it so much so that you don't want to have water in your oil. Back home we call it pawpaw. So I will be using just a fraction of papaya pawpaw. Make sure your papaya is ripe. The riper the riper the papaya is, the more papain that it contains. So I will be using a fraction of the papaya. So you have an option. You can decide to blend your papaya or to match the papaya. So I want to be using, so at this time I will use the matching process. So you want to cut it into very small pieces. I will also be using the seed of the papaya. After cutting it into small pieces, I'll add it into a pot. This is the pot that we're going to use to cook this papaya. If you have this hand blender, you can use it. Not completely to bring it to, I don't want to bring it completely to the blend consistency. So after you have mashed this up, it looks like halfway blended. And we're going to be using some olive oil, 100% olive oil. I will use half cup of olive oil. So we have half cup of 100% olive oil. Put it in here. And one of the best oil I really love using in the summertime is avocado oil, because avocado contains natural SPF, so I really love it, and it's very light on the skin. So I will also be using half cup of avocado oil. You add it in here. The oil we need to use is grapeseed oil. It works excellent on dark pigmentations, and it is also very amazing in preserving this, in preservation. So in grapeseed oil you don't need a whole lot, so I am using 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. So I have all my oil inside the papaya. I am going to bring this to boil on a very low heat. So we have this on the stove. Make sure the oil covers the papaya and bring the stove to a very low heat. We are going to cook this until it starts boiling. The color has really changed, and you can turn off the stove and you're gonna wait for this to cool down. So at this time the oil is cool, so when you take it out of the stove, you're gonna let it sit until it cools down. I have my cheesecloth. I will be sieving out the oil. So let's take it out. So one thing I love to add into most of my oils is citric acid. Citric acid will help to expand the life shelf and also enhance the brightness and the collagen production of your skin. So I don't need a whole lot of citric acid. I am using half teaspoon of citric acid. So I put it into the oil. Now it's time to turn it into bottles. Make sure your bottles are clean and sterilized. So I still have a little bit left. You can mix this directly with your serum or your moisturizer, or you can use them in the bottle and put a little bit of oil at the palm of your hands and rub them on your skin, most especially at night time, for you to achieve the maximum benefits. So guys, go ahead and try on your papaya oil. I love you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share the video and leave me your thoughts and your comments. I love you guys. Bye. See you next time.